Okay, I don't know how much of this you can even hear, but I have this in a plastic bag. I have got to record this. This is during the remnants of Tropical Storm Andrea. It's coming all over there. I'm going to put it. Holy moly. We've got all kinds of debris washing into our pond. The water was going almost over the bridge there. And you can see how high it is. Right there, it's almost up to the edge. The good news is that the house is still a little higher up. But this is crazy. I'm going through to get a view of the other side.